Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DTSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. And it's a pretty shaky looking chart. I'm not going to say that the entire chart is destroyed because that's not quite true. That'd be more of an exaggeration. But yeah, it's also a chart that's not looking the greatest either because of this big pullback. I mean, to think that at one point the price was, up here above 450 and then closed all the way down there below $3. Like I said, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed, but it does make the chart look pretty shaky. And why, in my mind, going forward, the must-hold level, not necessarily just on just on Friday, but going into next week is right down there around $2.35. Now, I'm not saying this will occur, but just to offer up why I would consider $2.35 a must-hold level. If the price were to come down to $2.35 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal point of view, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price came down here, behaved in this manner, and then began to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there if you envision each of these as stair steps. Well, hey, at least at this point in time, you now have stair steps making progress in the upward direction. And that's why you can't say that the entire chart, the big picture chart, has been completely destroyed. Because, like I said, to be fair, the price does still have the opportunity to build that higher low. Now, if you're a day trader or a scalper or something like that and you bought up there and you wanted to buy and sell within 20 minutes, from that point of view, then yeah, you don't care about these stair steps. But like I said, that's why I'm trying to emphasize the fact that this all is relevant to the big picture point of view. So very shaky looking chart right now, but let's see if the price can stay up here above that 235 mark or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.